If you've ever dreamed of starting your own business but felt stuck because you didn't have the money, knowledge, or connections, this is for you. Welcome to Nile Valley Academy, where we take you from idea to income with expert training, hands-on mentorship, and exclusive access to real business opportunities. Want to launch a high-income beauty business? Learn veneers, lip injections, and brow lamination with certified training and starter kits to get your first clients immediately. Want to build a profitable government-funded business? We provide step-by-step guidance on starting group homes, shared living facilities, and social service agencies that generate six-figure incomes. Want to make money online? Master social media growth, reality show development, and content monetization strategies used by today's top influencers. Need funding and inventory? As a Nile Valley member, you'll gain exclusive access to wholesale beauty products, vendor connections, and discounted inventory, so you can start your business without the high startup costs. This isn't just another online course, it's an ecosystem for success. Join a powerful network of entrepreneurs, attend exclusive events, and get real mentorship from industry experts. Your future starts now. Become a member today and start building the business and life you deserve.